Good day everyone. So for today's video, we will be discussing about comparing and ordering fractions. Okay. In comparing fractions, so from the word compare, kinukumpara natin yung dalawang fraction. And then pag kinumpare natin yung dalawang fraction or more, we will use these symbols. Okay, so we have less than, greater than, and equal. Okay, comparing fractions. One way to compare fraction is by means of visualizing or illustrating it using figure sets of objects. For example, so we have two here figures. So the first one, hinati siya sa 4, but if represent into a fraction, it would be 2/4. And then the other one, these figures represents 3/4. So as you can see, or we all know that 3/4 ay mas mataas kaysa kay 2/4, right? So therefore, 2/4 is less than 3/4. Another one. Ayan. In this figure naman po, makikita nyo na iba yung fractions nila. Tama? Kapag nirepresent natin to. Kasi yung una, hinati siya sa 8, yung pangalawa sa 4. So the first one, etong 8 na to, kapag nirepresent natin as a fraction, it would be 7/8. And then, yung pangalawa naman po magiging 3/4. But we all know that 7/8 ay mas mataas kay 3/4. So, therefore, 7/8 is greater than 3/4. But, tatandaan po natin or remember, hindi lahat kayang i-visualize ang mga fraction o i-represent as objects. That's why there are also other ways to compare fractions, such as the following. The first one, ayan, same denominator. So in same denominator, the bigger the numerator, the bigger its value. For example, nakakita kayo ng dalawang fractions na magkamukha sila ng denominator. So that's why, kung ganun po, titingnan nyo na lang po yung numerator nila. Kung sino yung pinakamalaking numerator, yun yung malaki yung value. Let's give an example. First, we have 8/10 and then 3/10. So, di ba same sila ng denominator, which is 10? Tama. So, pero titingnan na natin yung numerator nila. Kasi sabi dyan, kung sino daw yung mataas na numerator, siya daw yung malaki yung value. So, we all know naman na mas malaki si 8 kaysa kay 3. So, therefore, 8/10 is greater than 3/10. Meaning to say, mas mataas pala yung value ni 8/10 kaysa kay 3/10. Another example, we have 4/17, then 9/17. So, same na naman sila ng denominator. So, titingnan na natin yung numerator. Kung sino yung malaki na number, siya yung, o numerator, siya yung malaki yung value. So, alam naman natin, si 9 ay mas malaki kay 4. So, therefore, si 4/17 is less than 9/17. Kasi mas mababa po yung value ni 4/17 kaysa kay 9/17. Another one. So, we have 2/5. Parehas sila. Nakita nyo, parehas na numerator, parehas din ng denominator. So, ibig sabihin, same sila ng value. So, we conclude that 2/5 is equal to 2/5. So, yan po yung sa same denominator. Okay, another. Ayan. Number 2, same numerator. in same numerator, the bigger the denominator, the lesser its value. Di ba kanina, same denominator. Ngayon naman po, same numerator. Ibig sabihin, same sila ng numerator pero magkaiba ng denominator. So, kung gano'n naman po, kapag nakita nyo yung denominator ay malaki, maliit po yung value nun. Okay po, sige, for example po. Ayan, 10 over 3, then 10 over 6. So, nakita nyo, as you can see, mas pareha sila ng numerator, pero magkaiba sila ng denominator. Pero sabi niya, kung sino yung malaking denominator, mas maliit yung value. So, sa 3 and 6, sa palagay nyo, ano yung mas malaki dyan? Si 3 or 6? Okay, very good. Si 6, di ba? So, therefore, we conclude that 10 over 3 is greater than 10 over 6. So, meaning to say, mas mataas si 10 over 3 kaysa kay 10 over 6. Another one. Ayan, we have 9 over 6, then 9 over 4. So, same na naman po sila ng numerator, but magkaiba ng denominator. As you can see, mas mataas si 6 kay 4. So, therefore, mas mababa yung value ni 9 over 6 kaysa kay 9 over 4. So, we conclude that 9 over 6 is less than 9 over 4. Okay, another example. We have 13 over 25, then 13 over 35. Mapapansin nyo na same sila ng numerator pero magkaiba ulit ng denominator. Yung isa kasi 25, yung isa 35. Pero, sino ba mas mataas? Si 25, si 35, diba? Si 35. So, therefore, mas mababa yung value ni 13 over 35 kaysa kay 13 over 25. So, 13 over 25 is greater than 13 over 35. So, yan po yung sa same numerator. Another, ayan, sa mixed number. Sa mixed number naman po, ayan, di ba alam nyo naman, pag mixed number, merong whole number, tas merong fraction. So, sabi niya, look at the whole number. The bigger the whole number, the greater its value. Ibig sabihin daw, kung mataas yung whole number daw, mas mataas yung value. Let's give an example. And 2 1/3 and then 1 2/5. So, kahit hindi nyo tingnan yung fraction, tingnan nyo lang yung whole number. Di ba ang whole number natin dito is 2 at saka si 1. Sino ba, ano ba mas mataas? Si 2 or si 1? Di, opo, si 2. So, therefore, 2 1/3 is greater than 1 2/5. Okay, second. We have 3 over 9, then 4, 1 over 7. So, papansin nyo, mas mataas si 4 kaysa kay 3. Okay, focus muna tayo sa whole number. Kapag naman same, pag nakita nyo same yung whole number, titingnan nyo na lang yung fraction doon. So, yung ma-apply nyo na doon yung same numerator tsaka same denominator. It depends na lang po sa may fraction. Okay, tingnan nyo dito. Di ba mas mataas si 4 kaysa kay 3? So, we conclude that 3 over 9 is less than 4, 1 over 7. Kasi mas malaki yung value ni 4, 1 over 7 kaysa kay 3, 3 over 9. Another example, number 3. Yan, 3, 1/3, the 1, 1/2. So, we all know that mas mataas si 3, di ba? Mas mataas si 3 kaysa kay 1. So, therefore, 3 1/3 is greater than 1 1/2. And then lastly, ayan. Nakikita nyo, same sila ng whole number. Diba? Yung isang mixed fraction. Ayan, 5, 6 over 10. Then 5, 3 over 10. So, same sila ng whole number which is 5. Ngayon, dyan, titingnan nyo na lang po yung fraction. Yung isang fraction ay 6 over 10, yung isa naman po 3 over 10. So, dyan na natin may apply yung same denominator. O, di ba sa same denominator, titingnan na lang natin kung sino yung mataas na numerator, siya yung mataas yung value. Tanong ko, sa 6 over 10 at 3 over 10, sino yung mas mataas yung numerator? Di ba si 6 over 10? So that's why 5 6 over 10 is greater than 5 3 over 10. Okay. Next. Ayan, dissimilar fraction. So, in dissimilar fraction, if the fraction is dissimilar, ibig sabihin, pag dissimilar, hindi magkamukha. Ibig sabihin, hindi magkamukha yung denominator, hindi magkamukha rin yung numerator. So, what we are going to do? So, we do cross multiplication. For example, okay, yan, 2, we have 2 over 3 and then 5 over 6. Di ba mapapansin nyo, wala, hindi sila parehas na numerator and denominator. Kung ganyan po, gagamit tayo ng cross multiplication. Paano yon? So, first one, multiply natin si 3 kay 5. So, 3 times 5 equals 15. Tama po? So, lalagay natin sa taas. Then, kung multiply natin 3 and 5, kasi cross multiplication, ganun din po si 6 and 2. So, 6 times 2 is equal to 12. So, sino ba mas mataas? Si 12, si 15, diba? Si 15. Ibig sabihin, mas mataas yung value ni 5 over 6 kaysa kay 2 over 3. So, we conclude that 2 over 3 is less than 5 over 6. So, ganun lang kadali, diba? So, number 2. Ayan. 7 over 10, then 4 over 7. So, we do cross multiplication kasi magkaiba sila ng numerator tsaka denominator eh. So, 10 times 4 is equal to 40. Then, susunod naman si 7 and 7. So, 7 times 7 is equal to 49. So, sino ba mas mataas? Si 49, si 40. Diba si 49? So, ibig sabihin lang po niyan, nire-represent na si 7 over 10 ay mas mataas sa value, mas mataas yung value niya kaysa kay 4 over 7. So, that's why 7 over 10 is greater than 4 over 7. So, next one. And we have 6 over 7 and 5 over 9. So, magkaiba na naman sila. Dissimilar fraction. So, ngayon, we do cross multiplication. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. Then, 9 times 6. 9 times 6, ilan? Okay. Yes, 54. So, si 54, mas malaki siya kay 35. So, we conclude that 6 over 7 is greater than 5 over 9. And lastly, ayan, 4 over 8, then 1 half. Diba? Dissimilar fraction, magkaiba sila ng numerator and denominator. So, we do cross multiplication. 8 times 1 is equal to 8. Then, 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Oh, same sila ng number, di ba? 8 and the 8. Same sila. Ibig sabihin, same lang pala yung value ni 4 over 8. 4 over 8 rather, than 1 half. So, meaning to say, 4 over 8 is equal to 1 half. Okay? So, ganun lang po kadali. Kapag nakakita kayo ng dissimilar fraction, gagawin nyo lang po ay cross multiplication. Okay. Ayan. Ito naman, cross multiplication can also apply in same numerator and same denominator. O, di ba kanina, kung nahirapan kayo kanina sa pwede rin pala natin gamitin yun, yung cross multiplication sa same numerator and same denominator. Magiging tayo ng example. We have 6 over 9, then 4 over 9. Di ba nakita nyo, pareha sila ng denominator. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, ayan, cross multiplication, pwede natin i-apply. Pero alam natin na mas mataas si 6 over 9 kaysa kay 4 over 9 by applying same numerator kanina. So, dito, papakita natin kung tama through cross multiplication. So, 9 times 4 is equal to 36. Then, 9 times 6 is equal to 54. So, therefore, 54 is greater than 36. Or 6 over 9 is greater than 4 over 9. Okay, another. 3 over 8 and 5 over 8. So, cross multiplication, 8 times 5 Ayan, 8 times 5 is equal to 40. Then 8 times 3 is equal to 24. So we conclude that 3 over 8 is less than 5 over 8. Kasi, di ba, mas mataas si 40 kaysa kay 24. So another example. Ayan, ito naman same numerator. So, we do cross multiplication. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. Then 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So, di ba mas mataas si 21 kaysa kay 12. So, we conclude that 3 over 7 is less than 3/4. Another, 7 over 8, then 7 over 10. So, papansin nyo, same sila ng numerator, pero magkaiba ng denominator. So, kapag ganyan, we apply cross multiplication. So, 8 times 7 is equal to 56. Then, 10 times 7 or 7 times 10 is equal to 70. So, di mas mataas si 70 kaysa kay 56. So, we conclude that 7 over 8 is greater than 7 over 10. Okay, so ngayon naman, ayan, your turn to practice. Okay, compare the fraction using greater than, less than, or equal to. So, number 1, 7 over 20, blank, 9 over 20. Number 2, 15 over 4, 15 over 6. Then, sa number 3, 4 over 7, then 3 over 5. So, then 4 over 9, then 3 over 8 for number 4. So, i-compare nyo lang compare the fraction using greater than, less than, and or equal to. So, try nyo yan sa papel nyo, no? So, kung may sagot kayo, kung hindi nyo maintindihan, pwede nyo kong i-PM. Okay po? So, yan yung sa may comparing fractions.